Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do another dog picks my Walmart makeup. So this is Sugar. I don't know if you guys have saw her in my previous videos. So she has on her whole entire Walmart outfit. I don't know if you guys have saw my first one, the Target edition, but she is a Yorkie Terrier and she's a Capricorn and she is very lazy. And so right now, I'm gonna jump right into the video. So we have foundation. What you thinking? Aww. She turned her nose up at this one, so I'm gonna go with L'Oreal Infallible. So I'm gonna start off with a sunscreen, and this one's like really like dewy, and it doesn't leave a white film, which I can appreciate. So we're going with this one. This is in the shade 530. I guess it was like the best shade match that I'm really gonna get with drugstore. Take that on a Real Techniques brush. Whatever. Woo! Sugar, you was wrong for this. And look, I noticed if I ever put this on in a future video and it's my perfect match, I'm coming for Sugar wherever she is. Sugar, look at what you did. Which one? This one? This one? No. This is the one? You don't feel a way about it? Okay. So I think it's this one. Just by the shade she threw. I mean, this is in the color Deep Golden. And I'm like such a little sport about it. I'd rather be darker than lighter. Well, it's like a decent match. I'm not mad at it. It's much more red than I normally am as well. A bit darker than I am actually. Just by a smidge, but I'd rather be darker than like really light. I love a really good doe foot applicator, so I love this one. Let's see the coverage. I am so dark. Like, wow. Okay, so I see that it's not as like, I might have to layer more, basically, simply put. I'm gonna go in with a second layer, mainly because I have to pick up where Sugar dropped the ball in. How dare she prioritize making sure she tries a new Stella Rosa instead of actually correcting, you know, finding the right shade match? How dare she? We're gonna make do. If I have to add a second layer of CoverGirl True Blend undercover, that's what I'm gonna do. I have to really work and twerk something with this. So far, the coverage is not that bad though. I was hoping for full like shellac. Fourth layer of skin. But it's pretty good for, I think I paid maybe like less than 20 for sure. It's coming along. I'm trying to salvage it. Sugar is laying down. Are you going to bed? You going to sleep? But I know you guys missed her and you guys requested this video. Well, some of you requested this video, which I appreciate. I love when you guys request videos. Oh, it means that like someone's paying attention, someone wants to see things, and I love being able to deliver. All right, so we're salvaging it. It's coming along. For this, I'm just gonna go in with banana powder from ColourPop and banana in the shade banana. Okay, it's still pretty dark, but it just looks like I got a fire contour going on. I'm gonna take MAC Mineralized Dark Tea Powder, kind of like blend all that into my skin and dust it away. Okay, so it's kind of getting there with my shade. I don't know. What a way to start off of like a video with like my foundation being the first thing I messed up. Love that. I'm going to take a MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Snow Flush. This is a limited edition one. If there's some available, I'll link it below. Okay, now that she's woke again, we're going to get her to pick my blush. So we have these two, Milani, and this is Revlon. Which one? It's a clear winner. And then I'm also gonna get her to do my lip before we send her away because I don't think she has any more in her. So which one? Which one? This one? She hates it. She hates it. Or this one. It's pink. I'm scared because I have a pink highlighter. Okay, so that is it for Sugar. Say goodbye. Bye. Bye, YouTube fam. Okay, so for the eyes, it's gonna be really quick. I'm gonna do like more like a graphic eyeliner look. I also did a look like this a long time ago. I'm going to take polka dot and I'm going to just basically sweep all of that all over my lid. All right, to deepen it a little bit more, I'm going to take that cupcake, like a pencil brush, and I'm gonna just get that outer V. And because it's going a little darker than usual, I'm gonna take a pencil and just tight line the very top of my eye. So nice and smoky and a hint of a blue liner. Love that for me. I'm going to take the blush Sugar picked in Luminoso. When I picked this up, I thought, oh my God, I remember that from someone. Maybe it's Jackie. Maybe it's Shayla. It was Nikki Tutorials. So if it doesn't work on me, oh well. So we're gonna keep it galloping along. We're gonna move to lips. Blushing was a myth. Foundation was a myth. Oh, honey, she is pigmented. What? So, all in all, I'm giving clown tease. So if I had like some bangles up to my arm and like 2 collar Aeropostale shirts, I'd be giving '07 Michelle. Um, Sugar is unpantsed. Look what you picked out. We need a cute thumbnail, Sugar. Go ahead and say I hate my mom. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. If you leave with nothing, learn that this dog is sick of my shit. She's been sick of my shit. This dog cannot stand me. But this is the finished makeup look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And guys, so I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.